Find the indicated partial sum of each arithmetic series. Number 1, the first 9 terms of 5 plus 8 plus 11 plus dot dot dot. Number 2, the first 30 terms of 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus dot dot. Number 3, the first 14 terms of 6 plus 9 plus 12. Number 4, the first 25 terms of 5 plus 8 plus 11 plus dot. Number 5, the first 15 terms of negative 12 plus negative 6 plus 0. If the first and last term are given, use formula number 1. And if the last term is not given, use formula number 2. The first 9 terms of 5 plus 8 plus 11, so given, so n is equal to 9. And the first term is 5. The common difference, to get the common difference, that is 8 minus 5, that is equal to 3. So E sub n is unknown. And the formula is E sub n is equal to n over 2 times open bracket 2 times the first term plus the quantity of n minus 1 times the common difference. Then substitute the value for n, which is 9 over 2 times 2 times the first term, which is 5, plus the value of n is 9 minus 1 times d, which is 3. Then to simplify, that is 9 over 2 times, we have, so that is 2 times 5, that is equal to 10, plus 9 minus 1 is equal to 8 times common difference, 3, then close bracket, nine over 2, then simplify the numbers inside the bracket. We have 10 plus, so 8 times 3, this is equal to 24. Equals 9 over 2, then 10 plus 24, this is equal to 34. And we can divide first 34 by 2, so that is equal to 17. So we have 9 times 17. So the E sub n is equal to 153. The first 30 terms of 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus that. Given n is 30. The first term is 1 and the common difference is 2. Then find E sub n. Formula is E sub n is equal to n over 2 times 2 times the first term plus the quantity of n minus 1 times common difference. So you have n is 30, that is 30 over 2 times, so 2 times the first term, which is 1 plus then the value of n, which is 30 minus 1, then d is 2. So we have simplify, we can divide 30 divided by 2, so that is equal to 15. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 30 minus 1, that is 29, times 2 equals 15 times, we have 2 plus 29 times 2, that is equal to 58. So this is equal to 15 times, we have 2 plus 58 is equal to 60. So 15 times 60. So the answer is E sub n is equal to 900. The first 14 terms of 6 plus 9 plus 12 plus that given n is 14. The first term is 6. Common difference is 3. Then find E sub n. Use the formula of E sub n is equal to n over 2 times open bracket. We have 2 times the first term plus the quantity of n minus 1 times the common difference, close bracket. To simplify, substitute the value of your n, which is 14 over 2, and the value of our first term, common difference. So that is 2 times 6, which is the first term, and the value of n is 14. Okay, equals, that is 7. 2 times 6, that is 12, plus 14 minus 1, that is 13, times 3. So you have 7 times, we have copy first 12, and then simplify 13 times 3. Yeah, that is 39. Then add 12. No, 12 plus 39. That is 51. Equals. So the sum is equal to 357. Number 4, the first 25 terms of 5 plus 8 plus 11 plus that. Identify first the given. So n is equal to 25. A sub 1, or the first term is 5. The common difference is 3. Now find A sub n. Again, use this formula. So n is 25 over 2 Okay, 2 times the value of the first term, which is 5. The n is 25 minus 1 times common difference is 3. Now, since 25 is not divisible by 2, so we're going to simplify first the numbers inside the bracket. 10 plus 24 times 3, that is equal to 72. Then add 10 to 72. So that is equal to 82. Then divide 82 by 2, and that is equal to 41. Then multiply 25 times 41, and the product of that is the answer. A sub n is equal to 1025. Number 5, the first 15 terms of negative 12 plus negative 6 plus 0. Okay, given n is equal to 15. First term is negative 12. Common difference, we can use 0 minus negative 6 or negative 6 minus negative 12. That is 6. Two times the first term n is 15 over 2. 2 times negative 12, which is the first term, plus n is 15 minus 1. Then the common difference 6. So copy first 15 over 2, since 15 is not divisible by 2. Then multiply 2 times negative 12, that is equal to negative 24. 15 minus 1 is 14 times 6. Okay, so simplify. So we have 15 over 2 and negative 24 plus 14 times 6. It is equal to 84. Negative 24 plus 84, that is equal to positive 60. Then divide 60 divided by 2. So that is equal to 30. Then multiply 15 times 30. So 7 is equal to 450.